But then, put it in the box. I don't know how.
Alright, I'm gonna just move it over here. Go.
Ay! The bird scares me. Ay!
Okay. No, don't go in there. Alright, back.
Oh my god.
Okay. There, put it. Why would you throw the ball, bro?
I'm scared bird.
Poor bird, bro.
I feel scared. You do it in the box.
I'm not doing that.
I'm scared. Why do you bring it all the way to my room, bro?
Come on, let's go. I'm done, bro.
Oh my
God, bro, get out of my room.
We can't open the windows.
Go trap it. Dad, just trap it. I'm not joking.
It went. It went over my head right now. It went to the lavadora.
Oh my gosh, bro. It didn't come in here, right?
Yes, it did. It went in there. I think it went under there.
Oh my god. I lost it.
Is it under there or no? Where did it go?
It is under there. I'm not.
It doesn't come in my room again.
Okay, go over there. Oh my fucking god. Just get the fuck out! I have to leave. I have an important meeting, bro. Isaac, where you at, bro? If Isaac was here, bro, I do not scream like this, bro. Oh my god, bro. Chat, it's just a scary moment, bro. I feel like that's a bird that comes out in that movie from Stuart Little, the one that steals a ring. I bet that's him. There's motherfuckers around the... Where the fuck... I'm dead ass gonna leave it here, bro. It's just a baby. Well, tell this baby to get the fuck out of the house. Shut the door and open the window.
Oh my god, I'm leaving the light.
Alright, get the fuck out, bird. Where's this shit at? Maybe it ran away from who? Alright. Birdie! I don't see the bird no more, bruh. I don't see it. I swear it was here. Chad, you think he's good? Close the door. Did you hurt it? You squished him? No, I didn't, bro. Where the fuck? I don't see the bird, bro. Behind the bunny. Behind the washer. Bro, I shouldn't be doing this shit, bro. This shit's gone. This shit flew out. I hear it. I'm gonna just leave the windows open in case it's there. I don't hear shit. If you hear birdie, the window's open, alright? If you left already, then good for you. Alright, guys. It's on the stove. More coming. I think it's out. It's in your hoodie. Don't come to my house uninvited, or you will go through the consequences. Alright guys, I'm getting off. I'm gonna just close this door just in case. Alright, peace out guys. Good talking to y'all. That shit did not scare me, bro. Fuck is wrong with y'all, little ass bird? You think a little ass bird is gonna scare me, bro? Hell nah, bro. Ain't shit scare me, bro. Ain't shit scare me, bro. Ain't shit gonna scare me, bro. Nothing, bro. What am my mother? Ain't shit gonna scare me, bro. Hey, chat. Y'all want to post? Oh my God, I'm tired, bro. Alright, guys. I'm gonna get off. I was eating right now and I'm spiced out right now. I'm like a little spiced out because I ate some spicy shit. But, alright chat, I'm leaving. I will be posting TikToks today. Hopefully y'all enjoy it. And what am I gonna do? Yeah, I'm gonna stream later tonight. And yeah, peace out.